Hi everyone, Lisa with Simply Real Systems here to show you how to make strategic connections on LinkedIn. As you can see, I'm logged into my account, I'm on the My Network tab, and there are a lot of connections here that LinkedIn is suggesting to me based on my 671 connections I already have. And as you can see, some of them are already, they're in the real estate industry. And then I'm looking to see if there's anybody who's not. Sometimes, like here's a trainer that I'm not sure if would be a good connection for me or not. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you that you can you can click this X and they will take people off of your suggested list. If you connect from here, I'm going to go ahead and show you how. If you connect from here, it's going to automatically send them an invitation, but you're not going to be able to customize it with a note. So I want to show you how you can do that. So I'm going to go up into the search bar and I'm going to put realtor in there. And I'm going to search for people who identify themselves as realtors in their profiles. As you can see, this is actually including some of my first connections. I'm already connected with these people. So I want to filter them out so that I'm just reaching out to people that I haven't connected with yet. So you can see I've sent invitations to a lot of these people. So I'm going to go down here to a page maybe that's further down. I usually try, I want to show you one. Here's one I haven't connected with, a female. So I'm going to reach out to connect out of this search box. You can see I'm given the option to add a note. And that is always more likely, like if you're reaching out to a stranger and you explain why you're reaching out, then you're going to have a better result most likely. So I always start with their name. And I believe her name was Nicole. Yes. Okay. And then I have just a quick message that I've typed out in a Word document or Notepad. And I just copy and paste that in there now. So just because I was a little distracted, I'm going to double check that I've spelled her name correctly, because that would be rude to misspell her name. So yes. Her name is Nicole, and I just explained that I'm an affiliate with the Hampton Roads Women in Real Estate, so that they know that I'm interested in supporting realtors in the area. Just say I'm looking forward to connecting and networking, and then I can send that invitation. I hope you enjoyed this training, and I hope that you're able to use it to reach out and expand your network with your strategic connections. Thanks so much. Have a great day.